Hi everybody, it's Stella, and today I have a video for the instructors explaining how to read your analytics on Ensightful. Instructors, when you log into your Ensightful account, the overview will be the first page you see, and this is basically just a bird's eye view of how all the groups in your class are doing. As you can see, Group 1's progress is at 65%, meaning 65% of their work has been completed. If you look to the right, there's a column that indicates the status of the group. This is determined by the project completion average of the entire class, and the average is shown on the top left corner of the page. Here, it says that the project completion average is about 55%, so any team with a project about 55% or more complete will be considered on track. If a team is close to 55% but not quite there yet, they'll be labeled as caution, meaning there's a chance of them falling behind. However, if a team's progress is, let's say, 10% lower than the project completion average, then they'll be labeled as off track. Now let's take a closer look at Group 1. When you click into Group 1, you can see a more elaborate breakdown of how the project is divided up amongst members of the team. In the middle, there's a graph that shows each student's progress. As you can see, Elijah has completed most of his tasks, whereas Joanne has completed less than half of hers. If we're at the midway point of the project, and Joanne only has about 40% of her tasks complete, she could be falling behind. So if I'm an instructor, then I might want to reach out to Joanne and ask if she has any questions or if everything is okay. On the right, we have the workload distribution chart, which shows how much of the entire project each student has taken on. If you hover over the chart, you can see that Sophia has taken on 33% of the project. Underneath her name will also tell you exactly how many tasks she's taken on and how many of those tasks are high, medium, or low effort. This allows you to see how much work people are putting into the project. For example, someone with 3 high-effort tasks is definitely contributing more than someone with 3 low-effort tasks. On the top, it tells you how many tasks have been completed, how many are incomplete, and how many are overdue. It also calculates how many tasks this group has created in total. And there you have it. That's how you read your analytics on Ensightful as an instructor.